So I get the question a lot, what do I do in crypto? Where do I make my money? What's the best opportunities to look at? Well, I'll give you the 5 best opportunities and the safest opportunities in my opinion. There's no guarantees, there might be flaws, and you might have to learn how to trade on yourself. But this is what I'm currently doing. Before we get these opportunities, make sure to smash that like button. And right after you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel so we can keep on growing and building this community. Now let's look at the first opportunity. And number 1 is Liberium Crypto. Liberium Crypto is a crypto trading execution site where users get the benefit and freedom of social trading. Social trading made easy. You choose a pro trader to trade on your behalf. And even better, the fund stays in your exchange. You use API keys to connect to the Liberium Crypto platform. So every time a trader puts a trade in and you follow that trader, it gets mirrored on your exchange. If a trader hasn't taken profit yet and seen enough profit, you can go and take profit. If a trader opens a trade you don't like, you can just go and close the trade. If you don't like the system, you can just cancel the API keys. And which is better, your fund stays in your own exchange. Currently they have 8 traders. Extreme Crypto averaging 8.12% per trade. 𝙏𝙗 averaging 3.66% per trade. Carlo Cruz averaging 1.88% per trade. Marcus Ruffin averaging 5.15% per trade. Lee Trading averaging 9.41. Extreme Bitcoin averaging 6.74. And the 2 newcomers, DCA Crypto 5.46% and Coin Financial USD 2.5%, creating massive opportunities and keeping you in control. My second option is Kucoin's different trading bots. Currently, Kucoin has 9.3 million trading bots running on their exchange. They have a spot grid, a futures grid, the smart rebalance, DCA Infinity Grid. Now DCA is the unique opportunity. It's a bot that buys on a time frame, daily, weekly, monthly, hourly, every 2 hours, every 4 hours. The same amount right on a minute. And which makes this bot even better. You can start with as little as $1 a day or $1 a week or $1 a month, depending on your financial circumstances. It's unique, it's on exchange, and you can take your funds out at any time. It might be different in value as the market moves up and down, but it's a top 5 exchange, creating an opportunity. The third option is Valr Exchange. On Valr, I trade the South African Rand against the USDC. And by trading this combination, I'm able to increase my USDC. The exchange and platform is unique and easy to use and user-friendly. There's not many or even any more exchanges which gives you the opportunity to trade against your fiat currencies. If there is, I might not have seen them yet, but on Valr, I have the opportunity to trade and increase my USDC, which gives me a massive opportunity. And I'm building in my dollar value since I'm living in a country which doesn't use the dollar value. The fourth opportunity is Zambesi gold. Zambesi gold has the 𝙏𝙏𝙬 token backed by gold. This mining company has created their own crypto as well. And trading on Bitmart, you can trade this coin. We got in the pre-sale around 5 cents and the coin is already on 84 cents. And yes, it went up and reached a high of $3 already. Of a lot of pre-sales I've gotten into and coins I've traded, there's only a few that has never gone below its market price. or launch price, and Zambesi gold haven't gone below that. Have a look at on Bitmart. I'm trading it to increase my Zambesi gold tokens, creating another opportunity. I'm trading USDC and I'm trading Zambesi gold. Two unique opportunities in my opinion to keep on increasing. If you would like to know how I'm trading these different coins, down in the description will be an email address. Ask me for a Zoom call. Let's communicate and chat, and I'll teach you how to trade and increase your USDC or your Zambesi gold token, and even different kinds of tokens. I'll share my strategy. All you need to do is ask. And finally, the fifth and final option, which I reckon it's a good one for the long run. Will Financials currently have their pre-sale going. This company is pre-built before they started their pre-sale. You're getting 4 different tokens, but the reason why I'm getting into Wealth Financials is due to one of the tokens they have, the ULFG, their government's token. Which makes their government's token so unique is the fact that 70% of all profit gets shared into the government's token holders. It's the first company that's basically paying you out a dividend according to the profits they'll be making. And that's why I'm grabbing a bunch of these government's tokens, and which is making it even more unique. They don't just have an exchange, they have a whole ecosystem that's gonna bring in profits. And finally, the last benefit regarding the government's tokens. There's only 6.1 million government tokens available. Get into this pre-sale. The pre-sales are happening on Libex, the launchpad. Link will be down in the description, and the sale is ending soon. I got some of these tokens to make sure. There's no guarantees when you buy a new token, but the tokenomics and the ecosystem for this one is unique. And that's why I'm putting it into my top 5 gainers. Have a look at it, leave me your thoughts and concerns down below, and let me know what you're thinking. Now, if you haven't yet, remember, enjoy the extreme crypto gains. Have a good one.